Hello everyone, Pastor Randy here just to do a quick tutorial on how our church online platform works. You can get here very easily. Either click the link in the email or on social media that you might see, or just go in a web browser to newlifebrampton.churchonline.org. And all you need is any device, computer, tablet, phone that is connected to the internet, and you can watch church online, participate in church online. You don't need any apps or anything like that. I just want to show you a couple of features. You'll see at the top a countdown to the next service, when the next service will be live. At that time, there'll be pastors present and others present that you could chat with. A really good idea to log in, and just you can use your Facebook account so people can see your face. I just encourage you not to be anonymous and not participate in that way, but let people know you're here, and use your name, and um, so that we know who you are, so that we can make sure that we're connecting with you. If you log in with your Facebook account, your profile picture will be there, things like that. But that's just a really great way. You can use the reminder feature to come early, and then to remind yourself when it's going to be live. It's going to go live in this spot right here right away when the service starts. So immediately, you don't have to click anything. It'll just automatically go live, and you'll be able to see the service as it starts. A couple of other features. Along here, you'll see the service times. I only have the one there right now, but we'll be adding all the service times: 9:30, 11:15, and 7, and there will always be pastors present, and others present to chat with. And then that brings me down to these tabs along the bottom here. There's a chat tab that will be activated when the service is live, and so you can chat with one another, and we'll activate that even a little bit before, so you can come early and chat with people. So that will be there. There's a place to take notes, and we'll upload sermon notes as well as further life group notes on there, and the song lyrics will be there. And then there's the schedule, which we're on right now. And then there's even the Bible feature, so you can easily click over to follow along Bible passages and like that. So Church Online is quite easy. There's all those features are there. You can go to our website after you've watched to follow up. You can give at any time. There's a link to our giving, and we're working on other ways to make it even easier for you to give as well. But I just wanted to take this moment to show you the easy and quick features to Church Online. That's newlifebrampton.churchonline.org. God bless you, everyone. We hope to see you at one of those services. Bye for now.